How to change password on Facebook, or how to change your Facebook account password. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your Facebook account password. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your Facebook application particularly is updated to the latest version. Once it's updated, you want to make sure that your account is connected to Meta, right? As you know, now there is the Meta option available on Facebook, so you want to make sure that your account is connected to the account center. Second thing, what you want to simply open up your Facebook here, and you'll get an face like this. Now next thing, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on settings option. Once you tap on settings here, you can see the very first option, account center, that says Meta. If you don't find it at the top, if you scroll down at the bottom, you'll be able to find it there as well. So you want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see their option that is account settings, and under account settings you can see the option password and security. Simply tap on it, and you can see the option change password. Simply tap on it, and now you want to select the account that you want to change password of. In my case, I want to change a Facebook. If you want to change a Facebook, you want to simply tap on Facebook option, and then you'll be able to enter in your current password. Simply retype your new password twice and you'll be able to change your password. So this way you can change your Facebook password after the latest update on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.